We're gonna take your nails from drab to fab. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be talking all things nails. I am so excited because you guys know I am all about do it yourself. And Kiss, baby, they got us covered. Today I'm going to show you how to do Salon Extend gel nail extensions at home. And shout out to Kiss for partnering with me for today's video. Yes, the nails I have on right now are gel extension nails. And these were done at home with the Kiss Salon Extend kit. You know what? I've actually tried many times to do my nails at home with all the different particles that I've ordered from different websites. And it's kind of difficult. I'm not going to lie. They have literally figured it out and they made it so easy. The best part is these will last for 14 days. Okay. Also, if my voice is a little raspy, I'm sorry, I'm a little stuffy today. So I recommend you get the kit, which comes with the nails that I have on. These are really beautiful. They look really natural. And these are long, but you can trim them down or file them if you want them to be a different shape or a different length. This kit comes with everything you need. Also, if you want a different design than what I have, don't worry because they have so many different designs. I will be using all of these, so you're gonna see me wearing all of these different designs. I have the soft French tip, but in the long length, so I might do these next. But if you're not into the longer nails, they also have shorter options. They have ones with glitter, designs like flowers. They have all kinds to choose from, just an endless plethora. So I think what we need to do now is just jump right into the tutorial to show you guys how I did my own nail extensions at home with Kiss. But subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's go ahead and jump right into this video, Miss Mama, okay? This is a look at all the different nails that they offer. They have different lengths and different shapes of nails, but you're going to want to get the kit because it's going to have everything you need to do the Extend gel nails at home, including 30 different nail sizes, which really is helpful for finding the right size for each nail. So first we're going to prep the nail. I like to push my nail cuticle back with a fake nail, and then I like to clean up my cuticle. One thing I love about these nails is that they're pre-sculpted, pre-polished, and they are ready to apply. Another thing that I like about these is that they're safe on natural nails. Also, there's an easy removal process. If you get the Kiss glue off, it just helps to take these off super easily without damaging your natural nail. I'm going to take the alcohol prep pad and just make sure and clean off anything on my nails. You're going to want to make sure your nails are completely dry before we begin. Then I start to size out the nails and figure out which ones fit each nail bed. So I'll go ahead and pick those out. It's really handy because they're numbered, so you're able to kind of grab the numbers for the other hand. And then this is the gel adhesive that comes in the kit. So you're going to apply the adhesive to the circle on the back of the nail, which indicates the amount of glue needed. And then you're going to start by applying it to the top of the nail bed and then slowly pressing down, ensuring you're not getting any air bubbles in there. Once the nail is applied, you're going to put it under the LED light for 5 to 7 seconds. This is going to be flash curing it. After flash curing, you can clean up any excess adhesive, and then you're going to go back under the LED light for 1 to 2 minutes. With the darker nails, I would do 2 minutes. I did 2 minutes on each nail to secure, but if it's a lighter colored nail, you can do about 1 minute. I love the simplicity with the gel nail extensions, and I got so many compliments with these nails, and they wore so comfortably. I think this system is so innovative, and you guys have got to try this out. And we're just going to repeat this step. We're going to add a dot. We are going to gently start by pressing at the tip of the nail bed and then putting it under the LED light for a few seconds to secure it. I like to hold it down with my other hand while it's just securing for a few seconds, and then you can just let it set under there on its own. I did 2 minutes for each nails because these nails are a little bit darker and they are looking so good. Truly, this was just incredibly easy to do, and these nails are going to last for 14 days. The exclusive Kiss gel adhesive provides a bubble-free, flawless finish, as you can see here. Also, the flexible, soft gel provides a comfortable, weightless, natural feel on the nail. I think you guys will really love these, especially if you're tired of going to the salon. I know I am. Sometimes I just want to drop my hands off the salon and leave, but now we don't have to do that, and this doesn't take long at all, which is just lovely. Once I'm done securing all the nails, I like to give the tip of each nail a light buff with a nail file that's provided in the kit. You guys don't forget to check them out. You can check them out at Kiss Products on Instagram, or you guys can go to kissusa.com to get the full kit, as well as many of the other nails that you might like to try out. Here's the finished look. I love how they turned out. I love this bubble-free finish. That's one of the things I would struggle with in the past with different gel extension nail kits. This adhesive is so easy to work with, and I really appreciated that when doing this. I love how these nails came out. And remember, you can always trim and and file the nails to your liking for shape and size on them. But yeah, it's just an easy way to do your nails at home. Let me know in the comments what you think. Also, my niece saw me do this and she was like, wait a minute, I want to try to do those. So she picked out the purple ones, and honey, she just popped these nails right on. Hers looked so freaking cute. I'm telling you, they're so easy to do. She was just watching her TV show and doing her nails. It's kind of therapeutic in a way. I love it. As you can see how easy it is, how great they look. They look like professionally done nails. This has just been the easiest process with gel nail extensions that I have ever done myself. I highly recommend this. Even my niece was jumping in and doing this too because she saw me do them and she was like, wait, I can do that. So she really liked the purple ones that she did, but I love these. You no longer have to spend hours at the salon. You can just spend like 10 minutes at home doing your own nails. You guys be sure and check them out. I will have everything that I used in the description below. I love them. Thank you to Kiss for partnering with me for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.